In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn off notifications from the Facebook app. Very simple and easy. So there is no settings that's going to help you do that exactly or directly on Facebook. So now let's move to our mobile phone settings. So if you're using Android, just move to your settings. If you're using iOS, move to your settings too as well. Good. So we hop on our settings here. So I'm using the Samsung Galaxy, and this is also available for iOS and then other Android devices. Just move to your notifications. Good. iOS, you have to scroll to the bottom. That's for Apple iPhone. Scroll to the bottom, you should see notifications there. I think I'll have to make a tutorial on that. Now move to your app notifications. Good. So every app on this mobile phone is going to load up, and then you turn off the notifications for Facebook on here. So you're not going to get any notification from Facebook. So there's the apps I have on the mobile phone. I'll have to glance through to the F section. Good. You see Facebook here. Automatically I've turned it off because I don't want notifications from Facebook. I just want to visit there and do my thing. So yours should be turned on. So you should have a toggle like this. Just turn it off. Get any notifications from Facebook anymore unless you visit there to check out your notifications yourself. So that's it on how to turn off notifications from your mobile phone on Facebook app. If you are new here, just give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Peace.